fuck girl tap the Ross nice and people in place. You know look like pasa to you? You damn bony behind favor them bad boy. As they light in your wine and catch and queen, wine and catch and queen like wine and catch can breathe sexy. Breathe in your Miley, breathe and see if you want your belly come in here, so breathe it come in here. But don't talk.
It's our party, we can do what we want. It's our party, we can say what we want.
So dirty Adrian, you really gotta stop calling me so. Like an email and see like a text message, not even like a writing pop on Facebook. Last week you all interested, but from you get the best of both worlds. You wouldn't even fall for me. Not even like a pope, not even a bells. Rotting, but I second with a little burp. Cartelly don't say it, and Cartelly don't say it. From you come on me yarn, but don't know where you pre. But me like eat for myself, I'm gonna pre things I'm not supposed to pre. Anyway, me I come over there in about half an hour time for come collect the scandal about my panty my Brazil because the one of my daddy had dirty. Adrian, you really think I saw it go come to my nice clean virginity and just get with her? Not a box cover. So Adrian, so you really plan to play me? But we come like one of your many now.
How did they be, man? You know, collect things them already.
Oh, so you find time I text you other like an orange gal then, but you couldn't have the time to come text me. Oh, Adrian, I saw your rule.
Look at me Smiley. You pre-wear just say a while ago, so you just include yourself as one of the word them. So tell about them kill this girl.
Alright, go on Adrian, me now while you. Go on Adrian. We will see who have the last laugh. You know, you're like somebody outside and knock on the door. Go on the inside now.
Who that you know, man? Alright, good afternoon, gentle people. Me hear say there's some domestic dispute happening at this address. Anyone wanna care if explain to me what exactly I go on right here, so?
Officer, lock him up, officer, lock him up, officer. You can see my heart beating. You can see it through my breast.
Alright, young miss. Just please explain to me what transpired.
Because we fight, me tight and right like dog. No one can deny. We do good last Monday, and now you run well like a fly. Don't make me hear you say me left Kingston Gummo Bay. Why was I such a fool? Me can't hold it in, make me lose my virginity. Me can't stand facing you. Me say him just pop hurting balls. Me never scream so loud before. Him go in and bust me vaginal walls. All he never do was you hurt me. Yeah, you hurt me.
Hey girl, officer, talk to the girl here, man. Talk to the girl, me.
Officer, I know some should have come here just 17, but them something you do when you're young and you're naive.
That's such a shame, you know. That's why you young ladies have to make sure you protect yourself against hooligans like this young man right here. So, Mr. Gentleman, come with me.
Take him where, officer, take him where. Me stigmatized.
You sure you don't mean traumatized?
Oh yeah, it's a typo I make.
Yeah, me get one, me get one. Officer, I beg you, just give me a minute, I have something to show you, get me? Alright, do what you do and come back. Alright, listen to this. Just remember, say me have this. Listen to this.
Adrian, your house nice and cleany. I have inside bathroom. Ray. No, sir. No, I feel like I'm gonna do something. You can't come do something. You just sit on yourself, watch TV, so Adrian. We can't sack and bring down the place and make a bag of nice, Adrian. No, Adrian, a lot of got to me. I got my clothes. Jeez, yeah, them some you like, yeah, real lot, boy. Pass the wrecking ball, Adrian, make my bum flick on it, yeah, boy. No, sir, ooh, yeah, them things you like.
Alright, me hear enough of go on, right? Young miss, what you have to say for yourself?
I never meant to start a war. I just wanted you to let me in.
Officer, me I beg you for that shit liar, careless, wicked, skittle, nasty girl out of man house, you know. Damn face over them American porridge. Come with me, little girl, you know, young girl, and tell like a man too much, man.
Alright, Adrian, you win for now. Later for you. Officer, yeah, how much?
Tamara, you see why I need to come into the videos, because without you, I have to be doing shit like this. It's kind of fun, watch there. Oh god, I have my boobs down in my gut.